Hi, thanks for joining us to learn how to perform the atomic method. The atomic method is a routine maintenance procedure that involves a manual purge of the nozzle with filament. This is used to resolve nozzle clogs or help clean the nozzle between material changes. The atomic method is also the first step in troubleshooting extrusion issues. We will be showing you the atomic method on an Ultimaker 2 Plus using PLA, but this procedure works on most open source printers that allow for manual temperature control and access to the hot end. The atomic method was originally devised by a community member called Atomic Bob on the Ultimaker forums. Despite the explosive nickname, the atomic method is a simple and easy process that takes only a short amount of time. First, you will need to unload the filament if you have not done so already. Now, we will heat the nozzle manually to 260 Celsius. We can do this by navigating to the Maintenance, Advanced menu and selecting Heat Up Nozzle. If you have only ever printed PLA with your hot end, you only need to heat up the nozzle to about 210 Celsius. But if you have ever printed any chemical plastics like ABS, please heat all the way to 260 Celsius. Next, we will uncouple the clear plastic bowden tube from the printhead. To do so, locate the blue horseshoe-shaped clip and slide it out from beneath the white coupling collet. Then, while pushing down on the white collet, pull up on the bowden tube. Check and make sure the nozzle has reached the proper temperature. Now, we can feed our PLA into the hot end manually. Cut a small length of filament from the spool at a 45-degree angle. You can now slide the filament down into the printhead, watching to ensure it enters the nozzle. You should see extrusion happening below. If you do not achieve extrusion, you may need to change your hot end or nozzle. Now, we will cool down the nozzle to 90 degrees Celsius. We will continue to apply some pressure to the filament while turning the nozzle temperature down to 90 Celsius. You do not need to apply pressure the entire time. Wait until the nozzle has cooled to 90, then pull the filament out with a firm tug. You should not have to apply excessive force to remove the filament. Once you've gotten a clean pull, you can go ahead and replace the bowden tube. Make sure to insert the tube fully into the printhead. And you can now snap the blue horseshoe-shaped clip back on and reload your filament. Now you know how to resolve nozzle clogs or clear out the hot end in between material changes using the atomic method. Thanks again for joining us and happy printing!